Now, crucial details emerging on how the Indian Mujahideen operative organized the recce in Hyderabad. Indian Mujahideen operative Syed Maqbool, who is currently in Tihar, first met Bhatkal brothers in April 2012. To give us more information, Nikunj joining us on the story. Nikunj, what are the details?
Well, as you mentioned that Maqbool Hussain is his full name. He goes by only one alias, Maqbool. He is the key Indian Mujahideen operative who actually, if in so many ways for the law enforcement agencies and for the intelligence agencies, holds the key to find out the entire plan, the conspiracy, the entire logistical arrangement that went behind this dastardly twin terror strike at the city of Hyderabad yesterday. He is one man who had confessed 4 months back, as you were mentioning, to the special cell of Delhi police that indeed there was a module of Indian Mujahideen which was organized on the explicit instructions of Riaz Bhatkal, which was given the task of not only, it was not a general sort of reconnaissance operation that was entrusted to these individuals. Dilkhush Nagar, where this blast, the twin strike yesterday took place, was chosen with extreme care because of the generally very heavy congregation of various kinds of people, from students to businessmen, due to the sheer heavy movement of not only vehicular traffic but all kinds of traffic. It's a very bustling, busy locality right in the heart of city of Hyderabad, and in fact represents a very diverse population mix from students to businessmen. So it was on purpose that that area was chosen. Maqbool played a very key role. He confessed that to special cell of Delhi police. He, along with 2 of his accomplices, did the recce, found out a hiding place from where ultimately the first contact that the law enforcement agencies developed on them, first eye that they developed on them, was actually started, and ultimately it led to their arrest in one house in Pul Pralhadpur area of New Delhi by the special cell of Delhi police. At that time, unfortunately, almost all the law enforcement agencies, including the lead investigative agency in the case, the special cell of Delhi police, thought that they have now busted and cracked open the case of not only the Pune serial blast case, which happened on the 1st of August. Fortunately, that strike did not claim many lives because of natural circumstances, but now, as it transpires, that this was a much larger ring, that these people were only one small part of that ring, and this entire cabal actually did the logistical arrangements, made the proper maps, entry, exit, stay place, and which places to be targeted, and then passed it on to the other part of the module, which actually carried out, which actually executed yesterday's twin strike in city of Hyderabad. Now that is also very obviously clear, because for the last 4 months, these 4 individuals are, 3 of them are lodged in jail, 4th is on the run, also in the scanner of the law enforcement agency. So none of them actually could have participated in the strike, which clearly means that they did the basic ground level preparatory work and then passed it on to other members of this module, which actually finally executed that strike, which has by now claimed at least 15 lives in city of Hyderabad.
Now, the sketch of Raju, the crucial missing link released by Delhi police. The crucial missing link is the one that agencies are on a lookout for. This is the sketch of Raju, who arranged for logistics for Maqbool. We have Nikunj again joining us on the story. Nikunj, what are the leads that Delhi police have about this man?
Well, he is the man that the Delhi police's special cell claims. Again, these are only in the realm of claims till the time they are corroborated in a court of law. A court of law puts its seal of approval on that. Delhi police says that he is the man who put Maqbool and 2 of his associates, who are presently lodged in Tihar jail, post the busting of that Indian Mujahideen module, which was responsible for the Pune terror strike. Raju is the man, and this sketch itself describes that it has been prepared by the help of Maqbool and one of his associate, Imran, who is in Tihar jail right now. He is the man who arranged the logistics, the place of stay in Pul Pralhadpur, from where finally these 3 individuals were arrested. The bomb-making devices, the improvised explosive devices, the explosive material, the IED triggers were all arranged by this individual, which unfortunately, again, special cell claims managed to give them a slip at the time when they were tailing this module, and finally apprehended these 3 individuals and booked them, produced them in a court of law. Court of law obviously has granted them initially the police custody, and now they remain in judicial custody, for responsible for various acts of terror under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. But nonetheless, Delhi police says that he is the man, Raju is the man whom you see on your screen now, could actually be the most crucial missing link. If they have to crack open this yesterday's Hyderabad strike, then he can be the man who has actually done the entire logistical side of arrangement for this particular module, of which the smaller part, one singular part of the module is now lodged in Tihar jail, but clearly a larger part remains out and out of bound for the law enforcement agencies, which we saw yesterday when they carried out that twin strike, and a very lethal twin strike in the city of Hyderabad.
That's right, Nikunj. The sketch that you see on your screen right now is of Raju, the crucial missing link, which has just been released by Delhi police exclusively on Times Now right now. This is the man who is said to be the crucial link. Nikunj, isn't Raju the one who arranged for logistics for Maqbool Asad and Imran to carry out the recce?
Well, yes, that is what the Delhi Police's special cell claims. They say that on interrogation of these three individuals, particularly Maqbool and Imran, they were told that Raju, and this sketch has also been, mind you, prepared with the help of Imran and Maqbool while they were in police custody, the special cell's custody. And they say that he is the man who hired a room prior to these three individuals being brought to Delhi. He is the man who also arranged for the explosive material. He is the man who gave them the basic cover to stay in Delhi, basic idea of the city of Delhi, and was also making all the logistical arrangements from finances to the explosive material and the explosive trail that was required to carry out a terror strike in Delhi when they got caught in the crosshairs of an already ongoing investigation of Delhi police. In fact, they were not on the tail of these people. They were not trailing these people. They were not tailing these people to begin with, but a stage came when these people, part of this Indian Mujahideen module, which now it seems at least, if not has actually carried out, then is at least responsible for carrying out a recce operation, and basic preparatory groundwork for yesterday's terror strike in Hyderabad was caught. So now the Delhi police says that he is the man, Raju is the man that they are very, very desperately looking for, and if they are able to nab him, even with the help of public broadcasters like Times Now, they would be extremely glad, and he can actually prove to be the most vital, most crucial missing link in working out yesterday's twin strike. And that is why they have now decided to go public with this picture. This picture, as of now, this sketch is as of now only available with us, but it is my understanding that it will be some matter of time before they actually release it and put it out in public domain.